Good morning everybody, Vesmoper here coming at you with another video. In today's video I'll be discussing the Microsoft Xbox acquisition to Activision and Blizzard Entertainment. It's a huge deal for nearly $70 billion deals. Like, it's crazy. The deal, oh man, it's crazy. I woke up this morning and I saw the tweet. I said, what the hell Microsoft is doing? So it's a done deal. Microsoft and Xbox acquired the Activision Blizzard Entertainment for nearly $70 billion earlier this morning. Wow. So this acquisition is even better and more huge than the the Xbox acquisition over Bethesda. It's crazy. I'm amazed, guys, just like you. For really amazed. Means Crash Bandicoot, Call of Duty, Diablo, Heroes of the Storm, what other games? Hearts of Stone, StarCraft, and like so many games that Blizzard Activision is gonna develop for Xbox and Microsoft. Means all their games will come into Game Pass. More exclusive for Microsoft, and also the studios that Xbox has, which is like Ninja Theory, Obsidian, Bethesda. It's crazy, like their addition of studios to the Microsoft game studios or Xbox game studios. It's just crazy, dude. Imagine what this deal could benefit gaming, benefit me as a content creator to enjoy the future games for Xbox by Activision and Blizzard, which is crazy. Like $70 billion deal. It's crazy, dude. Imagine. Sony needs to start it up. Sony needs to get a better deal over the Microsoft acquisition for Blizzard Entertainment and Activision. Like Sony are done? I don't think so, but they need to do better. They need to acquire more studios, just like Microsoft. I mean, competition for gaming is healthy between Microsoft and Sony. Trust me, between the Xbox game studios and PlayStation studios. Like you have Horizon Forbidden West, God of War Ragnarok on one side. On the other side is the acquisition of studios of Blizzard and Activision by Microsoft, which came a huge surprise to me. Sorry guys, I'm very surprised. I'm clueless and speechless. Really guys. It's a no joke, dead ass serious. Like what this means for gaming in general in the coming future. So the Bethesda deal was a huge, and now the Activision Blizzard deal is more so. Like compared like $3 or $2 billion compared to $70 billion deal for acquiring two developers, two game studios, Activision and Blizzard Entertainment, and the world's most acclaimed developers like Crash, Bandicoot, Tenchu, maybe coming to Game Pass, revival of Tenchu, what games? Blizzard has Overwatch 2 maybe coming to Game Pass maybe. More potential exclusive for Xbox by Bethesda, by Bethesda, Activision and Blizzard in the future. And what Sony's gonna do about it? I mean, Sony acquired like few PC port companies. They acquired what do you call it? They acquired like a fighting champion tourney, Evo, on Discord. But today, Microsoft on Xbox did the best, the greatest acquisition in gaming in general by acquiring, in history, in entertainment history, by acquiring Activision and Blizzard. Oh my god. That's why I had to make this video today. Today, I had to make this video, an urgent. Like, I woke up this morning like 2 hours ago, and I was surprised about this acquisition. I was said like, look at my phone and say, like, what? Then I woke up to this news. It's just crazy, dude. It's just crazy. There's so many questions, so many expectations for this deal. I even tweeted that to Phil Spencer and Paris, which they are like Xbox enthusiasts. The Phil Spencer is the head of Xbox Studios. I mean, Microsoft investing in Activision and Blizzard for their exclusive and gaming. That's pretty impressive to me, if you ask me. Like, you have no idea, guys. You have no idea how much I'm surprised by this acquisition. The future is healthy for gaming, of course. Alright, guys, I'm gonna have to end the video for today. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about this acquisition? Let me know in the comments below. Everything is in the description, my socials, previous videos, everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.